Sit. Good boy. Good boy. That's my good boy when you sit. Yeah, that's my good boy when you sit. No, come here. Come here. Sit. Are you kidding me? Here. Come here. Come here.
I have no idea what I was saying at this point. I think I was trying to guilt him into making me all hot and sweaty. But we're driving along and look at how happy he is. He's just like, yeah, we're going. I'm in the car. Meanwhile, mom is a hot mess. Present situation. We can't tell if we're just really sad, tired, stressed, or sending a message of I do not want to move or cooperate because I'm protesting. Or maybe he's just really comfortable. So it's hard to say. What do you think about that? Yeah, that was a kid on a scooter. Can we keep going now? Because you're kind of the scary dog, not the adventure dog yet. We're getting there. You hear those birds? Sounds like your squeaky toy. Yeah. All right, let's go. Good boy. Here's the best part. Here's Smokey Lolo.
What did you do to yourself?
This would be me after trying to get closer to the water.
Yeah.
Fish.
Not fun. And the dog's trying to drift your way as we
You see, Spook? You see something? boy, Smoke. What a good boy. Good job, Smokey Smoke. Yeah. Good boy.